Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unboxing for you from the lovely folks over at BeeBeeCraft. So this is my package for today. I'm going to get in here and I'll show you what I picked this time. Okay, so got that out now. I actually couldn't remember exactly what I'd ordered. Thankfully, we've got a packing slip here. I will pop prices up on the screen for you for each item. So, starting off with these two lovely storage boxes. So these are, if you've known me for a little while, I am a sucker for anything that's kind of what I would call bubble coloured. I spotted these and I thought they would just be perfect for sitting on my desk holding paintbrushes, pens and whatnot. I believe these have a, yes, so they've got a protective coating on. I'll take one side off. So yeah, so you can see how lovely and shiny they are. There you go, that's the sort of the real colour. I'm probably going to leave the protective coating on for a little while just to extend the life. But yeah, I thought these were great. They will certainly hold plenty of pens and things. Let's have a look. Ooh. Let's see. So yeah, they're a great size for holding your regular pens. You could also go with taller paintbrushes, would also work fine in there. So really great. I'm really glad that I got these. And they've got a few other items in this sort of style. And I think I'm just going to start collecting little bits and pieces. But yeah, really lovely. Bring a little bit of magic and sparkle. Love them. Okay. Next up. Okay, let's go with these. These did get a little bit bent, but it's not a full crease. It's just like a little bend. So it will be fine. These are planner stickers. There is over 650 here. I just thought they might be useful. Let's see what we get. And what I will do is I will put together a video where I'm using these stickers in my planner so that you can have a look at how they turn out. They are on sort of your standard sticker paper with that slight gloss to them. But we've got seasons, we've got weather, we've got birthdays. Let's just move you in a little bit. There we go. So big day, appointment, reminder, payday, taxes, bank, relax, hearts, hair, nails, lazy day. So they should be very useful. We've got the months of the years, we've got days of the week, which I use a lot. These ones, okay. So these ones are on a more matte sticker paper. So that's quite useful. We've got holidays, Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Columbus Day. Kind of a girls' night out vibe here. It's camping, cocktails, housework, errands. More kind of work related, books to read. This one again is matte, so it'd be much easier for writing on. It's got little to-do lists and bullet points, workouts, road trips, beach day. So yeah, very happy with those and they will definitely get used. Yeah, that little bend will make no difference whatsoever. You can see already that it's totally fine. Price again at the bottom of the screen. So next item, we are sticking with planning for this one. Again, was a random spot on the website and I thought, oh, I wonder, which is how most of these things start. So if you've looked at my planner videos, I will pop a link. I use the Happy Planner system, which is a disc bound system. And these are more discs. Unless I'm much mistaken. No, there we go. Look at those. So we've got big ones and little ones. I'm just going to open them up and we will compare them to the official Happy Planner ones. These are my spare Happy Planner ones. They are marginally larger. You can just see there. The gold one is the classic Happy Planner, and the turquoise one there is the BeeBeeCraft. So it's slightly bigger. I don't think it's going to make a difference in terms of it holding on to the paper. Let's just try a bit here. So, nope, holds on just fine, doesn't make any difference at all. So that is good to know. And then we've also got the small size, which relates to, have I got any small size? Oh yeah, there we go. So, I think they're more or less the same size. So yeah, I mean, to the untrained eye, I think if I hadn't put them up against each other, I don't think I'd have noticed any difference at all. There are so many. I'll check on the listing exactly how many was in a box. But this is going to be great because it means that I can start making up my own planners using my spare pages. I can make up notebooks. I can collate together different things using the disc bound system. So I am pleased with that. Okay, something a little bit different. These I picked up for jewellery making and for resin work. I think they'll be great for both. That easy tear opening didn't work. Let's try that again, shall we? With some scissors. There we go. But it does have a resealable opening. Oh, okay. It's a resealable opening, and then they're all in a separate bag anyway. But these little bears, that really do look good enough to eat. We've got quite the selection there of little gummy bears, some of which look more gummy, some more milky. We've got some glittery ones. Yeah, I like those a lot. I think they're going to be great. They don't have any sort of fastenings or holes or anything, so if you wanted to turn them into earrings, for example, you would have to drill a hole in the top, but I don't think that should be too difficult to do. They are only resin, but setting these into other things, embedding them in resin, I think would be really good fun, and just playing with them is quite satisfying, and I can see that becoming quite the distraction. So. These would be great actually to turn into little cover minders if you've got little tiny magnets. They'd be great. And final item. These I have seen advertised all over the internet, and as someone that struggles with, you know, mental health type issues, I thought these might be worth giving a go. I don't know if they're all the same. I think they are. They're different colours. But yeah, so the idea with these is they're kind of for fidgeting, and they're called calm strips. They've got a texture on them. As you can see there, they're kind of, there you go. If I run a nail down it, ooh, give you an idea of the texture. They are self-adhesive on the back. Okay. So yeah, so you can peel the back, and then they are sticky. You can stick them on to maybe the back of a phone case, onto anything you want really. And then much like the thumbstone from my witch casket video, they can be used just to sort of stimulate that kind of need for touch and fiddling. And I've also seen people that have even stuck them to things with the aim of eventually kind of picking them off, to help ease any need for that kind of perhaps negative picking behaviour. So there are a ton here, and they're all in very lovely sort of abstract-y pastel colours. They do have a little bit of a rubbery scent to them. Whether that will wear off over time remains to be seen, but just be aware of that. It is quite mild, but yeah, if you actually sniff one, they smell sort of like a new pair of running shoes, which I guess is because they're made of rubber. So yeah, I'm pleased with these. I'm gonna see how I get on with using them, and I mean, I've got so many here that if anybody, any of my subscribers in the UK fancy trying one, do let me know, and I'll be happy to pop one in an envelope for you so you can give it a go as well. But having said that, should you wish to get any of these items, including these little calm strips for fidgeting, then you can use my code to get a little discount. That is witch10. I'll pop that on the screen now, and that will get you 10% off your order with BeeBeeCraft, so that you can check out all of their products and see what is available. There is so much more than just this. This is just a bit of a random selection that I've picked this time around. I'll pop a link to my BeeBeeCraft playlist as well, so that you can see all of the other items I previously purchased from them. Lots of different craft items, lots of jewelry making supplies, storage, and even if you are someone that wants to make jewelry to sell, then there's lots of packaging items as well available from their website. So it is well worth having a look, seeing what's available. But certainly for a bit of a random haul, I'm very happy with this little lot. And I hope that this has sparked some interest for you as well. Do remember that this week is the last week that you can enter my competition. I will link to that video as well, should you wish to go and take a look. That is my subscriber celebration for me hitting my 3,000 watch hours. So thank you to everybody that's already entered, and yeah, getting quick, because I will be drawing the winner at the end of this week. So that is all from me for today. Thank you so much. A massive thank you to everybody who supports me over on Patreon and the new YouTube members. Do remember, if you haven't already checked out, do pop over and see what perks are available. If not, you can always support the channel by leaving a like, subscribing, and sharing with a friend. Thank you so much, and until next time, stay crafty.